Hello friends, welcome to Anmol Testing Lab. Today we will discuss how to use locator in Selenium by name. So already I created created project that is named Mercury and package name test and class name test and testng.java. I delete this class because no need here. So first of all, create the object of Chrome driver. New, new Chrome driver. Driver. Now forget the URL. Write code driver dot get I want to open Facebook so that I enter the URL facebook.com. Now use the system.setProperty method. System.setProperty. In this method, pass webdriver dot chrome dot driver and paste the path of Chrome driver. I already used the path of Chrome driver in previous class, so copy this path from my previous class. This is path of Chrome driver. Copy. Now next step is if I want to enter the value email or phone number fields or password fields, then how to use the name locator. First of all, you inspect the element and inspect this field and finding the name attribute. Here name attributes is email. So write the code driver dot find element by name and entering the value of name attribute. Name attribute value is email. So email dot send keys. Send key method is used to entering the value in the fields. If I want to enter the value test@gmail.com, then write the email ID in send case method gmail.com. Now next one, same process, For password fields, again inspect the element and finding the name attributes. Here name attributes value is pass. So write the code driver dot find element by name and pass the name attribute value. Name attribute value is pass. I copy the value, sorry, and dot send keys method. I pass password test 123. Okay, now run this code. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, and for more detail please follow my blog, that link already mentioned in the description. So thank you so much.